operating electrical appliances.
Hello, welcome to Prof en Casa. My name is Evelyn Salazar. Today we're going to learn how to give instructions and ask for information on operating electrical appliances. Every day we have new appliances, machines, and devices. We therefore need to learn and teach others how to use them.
Let's see.
And that's how you make coffee.
No, that was too fast. Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. First, you have to make sure the machine is plugged in and turned on.
Well, that's easy.
Second, you have to put coffee in the coffee filter. Next, you press the start button. After that, take out the coffee mug.
Ouch! It's hot!
Yes, be careful. Then, put the mug on a plate. And add a couple of cookies. Finally, you have to remove the filter and clean the work area.
Operating a blender.
Do you know that this place is famous for our milkshakes?
Yeah, the milkshakes are delicious.
That's why you need to learn how to use a blender.
Okay. Well, I guess we should start by putting the ingredients into the pitcher.
Then, put the pitcher in the base.
So, first add the milk.
Well, it's not a big deal what ingredient you add first. What you have to remember
Is to always lead on the pitcher.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
yes, of course. Before you turn on the blender, put a lid on.
Yeah, I got it.
It's very important to slowly increase the speed of the blender. So, at first, you turn the dial up, wait for the plates to blend all the ingredients together. Then, you turn the speed up again, it will go faster. When you're done, turn the speed down, it will go slower until it stops completely.
Okay, I think I got it. Thanks.
Plug in. Unplug. Connect. Disconnect.
Rigo,
Yes?
could you please help me out? Let's put it right here. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. And what's in the box?
I'll tell you in a second, but first, let's unplug the microwave.
But don't we have to turn it off first?
No, it's okay. Microwave ovens do not have to be turned on or off.
Okay.
Rigo,
Yes.
did you unplug the microwave?
Yes, I did.
The microwave is still on.
Really? Already disconnected the power cord.
You unplugged the wrong cable. The radio is disconnected. So, let's connect the radio and unplug the microwave.
Oops, I'm sorry. All the cords look alike.
Instructions on operating a microwave.
Rigo, do you know how to use a microwave oven?
Of course, I have one at home.
Okay, then show me.
First, you open the microwave door. Second, insert a container. Then, close the door. And finally, press the correct buttons. And that's how you do it.
Rigo, you forgot something. You're using a container that is not microwave oven appropriate.
Could you repeat that?
Not every container is microwave oven appropriate. you need to choose only microwave-safe containers, like this one.
Really? I didn't know that.
Really, if you don't do it, you might burn the container or start a fire.
Okay, I understand this. Thanks for the lesson.
You're welcome. I think you're all set.
Turn up. Turn down. Turn off. Turn on.
Rigo, I have to deliver this order. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Do you think you can take care of the coffee shop while I'm gone?
Of course, don't worry. Alright, it's showtime.
Come a little closer, step into my lair. Think you've got it sorted, but you're not going anywhere. Let you know why you'll never be free. Because you're less intelligent than me. All you preach is negativity. You're jealous of our creativity. But you will never know what any of it meant. Because you are less intelligent. Because you're less intelligent than me. All you preach is negativity. You're jealous of our creativity.
Hi, may I help you?
Hello, the music is too loud.
Oops, I'm sorry. I'll turn it off now.
No, it's okay. I really like this music, but could you turn it down a bit, please?
Of course. So, do you like this music?
Sure.
I'm Rigo, by the way.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. So, the music?
Oh, yes. Listen, Sarah, would you like to try a really great coffee?
Well, I have no money.
Don't worry, it's in the house.
Thanks.
Hey, Rigo! What happened here?
Love, that's what happened.
Okay, boy, but you still have to clean this up.
Okay, I will.
It's important to take into account to use modals when giving instructions. For example, can you unplug the microwave oven, please?
When we give instructions, we use sequence adverbs to organize the steps, such as first, second, next, after that, then, and finally. We also use imperatives. An imperative is an instruction. We use instructions to tell someone what to do. For example, plug in the power cord or press the start button. An imperative uses the base form of a verb, like press or plug in. We do not use pronouns or names before imperatives. Plug in the power cord. Unplug the power cord. Turn on the blender. Turn off the blender. Remove the filter. Press the start button. We can also use negative imperatives. For example,
Do not forget to place the lid on the pitcher.
we can use the form do not or the contraction don't. For instance, do not overfill the coffee mug or don't overfill the coffee mug.
One of the steps we used was plug in the power cord. We can also say connect the power cord. This means that plug in and connect are synonyms. We also used disconnect the power cord or unplug the power cord. So, disconnect and unplug are synonyms as well. It's important to remember the sequence adverbs: first, second, third, next, after that, then, and finally. You will use them almost all the time when handling procedures and electrical appliances. Let's review some verbs we used. Plug in, unplug, Turn on. Turn off. Remove. Put. Take out. Press. Turn up. Turn down. We can give instructions in many different situations of our daily life. This was just an example. It was a pleasure teaching you how to give instructions and ask for information on operating electrical appliances. I hope you had a great time. Visit Prof en Casa for more instructional videos. Goodbye!